being bald, going bald in my family due to genetics, mommy or daddy side. But here I am today in Turkey at the best clinic in Turkey for hair, Hair of Istanbul. Alright, so stay posted. In like 3 to 6 months, you see a completely different person. Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Good.
Hi Imran, how are you?
I'm good.
Hi.
Well, the first night for me was easy. I did what you all said. I took my painkillers, I took my medication, I got some rest. I did use the pillow, the neck pillow, which was really helpful. I'm here today. Obviously, I was told on the second day we're going to take off these bandages because I want to see what it looks like. For me, I'm excited. I know on the third day I come back just to shampoo and prep it so that when I go back to Trinidad, I would know how to keep these, follicles in place and not interfere with it and prep it and make sure it grows and come out really good. I would just like to give my personal opinion on my whole experience here at Hair of Istanbul. For me personally, I can just tell you about me, and for the first time being in Turkey, I have said that the people in this facility is by far the nicest people I've ever met in my life. Like, I'm telling you, you will go to clinics, you will go to hospitals, you will get service done. My wife had breast implants, she had fillers done. She had, but you go to a big facility and such a big name, a big company like Hair of Istanbul, and you expect to there's so many people doing the same surgery that you won't get attention. But I realized everybody was spot on. Like, everybody got the attention needed. Everybody was escorted to the bathroom. Everybody was escorted to the elevator. They didn't have a time where there wasn't water or juice in their glass. So everybody's service was 100. Big up to Hair of Istanbul. My first time ever having a Turkish dish. How would you pronounce this name again?
Iskender.
Iskender.
What is it?
And what is it?
It's as like gyro.
Right.
And
Gyro
there's
meat?
like bread.
All right. So
Gyro meat.
it's like gyro meat. I'm seeing tomato. I have a yogurt filling, and I love yogurt. And I have like pita at the bottom. So I'm gonna try it. Hey, what's up guys? I must say, my first time in Istanbul, Turkey, and this restaurant, Beti, is actually one of the nicest restaurants I've been here at so far. I'm here for 2 weeks, but this is the best one I've been at so far. A lot of art, a lot of culture.
Culture for sure.
The feeling in here, you get this homey feeling. Excellent place, lovely place. I recommend it 100% to anyone who come and enjoy food with your family.